Shifting focus to some national stories then, several Maharashtra Navnirman Sena workers have been detained during a rally to counter a protest staged by traders in the state of Maharashtra. This comes on the back of the assault of a food stall owner for not speaking in Marathi. The rally in Mira Bhayandar area brought Thane district to a standstill with heavy police deployment and road blockage affecting traffic movement. Let's go across and listen in to what Maharashtra Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis had to say on this.
देखिए, मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि मैं महाराष्ट्र के मिजाज को जानता हूं। महाराष्ट्र का मिजाज ऐसा है कि इस प्रकार के प्रयोग यहां चलेंगे नहीं। जो मराठी आदमी है वो बड़े दिल का है।
In fact, let's also go across to Nilesh to get more details from the ground. Nilesh, over to you.
As far as the latest is concerned, we are currently surrounded by a massive number of Marathi supporters and party workers from MNS. Now, these are the pictures coming in from the main market of Mira Road, which is one of the key area of Mira Road. And now you can see it is a huge crowd. Thousands of Marathi supporters, Marathi workers have gathered on street. And in order to control them, a big number of police deployment is also seen. Heavy police bandobast is seen on the ground. Now the protesters are of a favor that if the Gujaratis, that is the protest which concluded a few days back, they can get permission from the officials, the police sources, police officials, then why not us? We are the son of the soil and we are part of building Maharashtra. Then why this denial of permission is given to Marathi workers who are unable to protest, to register their protest? Now the claims are being made that the day that the shopkeepers had protested, they raised certain slogans which were against the Marathis, Asmita and as well as MNS. And after which they also, that is the Gujarati shopkeepers, extended an apology to the Commissioner of Police here in Mira Bhayandar. And later on, the MNS workers, however, were adamant to register their protest onto the streets, which was supposed to begin from the Balaji Chowk, which is almost 1.5 kilometers away from where we are currently reporting from.
That's all the time we have on this edition of the show, but don't go anywhere. Market Fatafat will take all the market action forward. Stay tuned.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.